Ladies and gentlemen, look at those. These are Fireball Whiskey Cheesecake shots. Love this. Okay, graham cracker crumbs. Come behind it with some brown sugar. Then you follow it up with melted butter. Feel like we're baking, right? We're kind of baking, but it's a tipsy baking course, okay? So we get our little mix in the bottom there. Now watch what we do. We come over the top, okay? We get some cream cheese, squeeze in some lemon juice, add in some sugar, okay? Pour in some cream, and then we hit it with Fireball. See that fire-breathing dragon or whatever the hell that is? Stir, 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 stir. Beautiful. Okay, into a nice little soup. And then we put that on top. Bang. Okay, so that's our second layer. But there's one more layer to come. Okay, we got cherry pie filling. We can hit that with some Fireball too, because if not, why not? Okay, stir, stir, stir. And now we put that in. Bango. I suppose that was supposed to be bingo, but a mispronunciation. We'll go with it. Bango. Oh, they're so cute. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that?